Welcome back to the Saurabh Designs YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial episode number 3, I am going to show you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop step by step. Choose the image you want to apply the effect. I have chosen this image. Duplicate the image layer and name it layer 2. Right click on layer 2, select blending options. In advanced blending, uncheck the green and blue channel and click OK. Now right click on layer 1, select blending options, uncheck red channel and click OK. Select layer 2 and move it a little bit to the right. Now select both layers and merge them and name it image. Duplicate the image and name it background. Use the mark tool in the some parts of the image layer and move it a bit about the left and right. To make the effect, also reduce the opacity. Next, duplicate the image layer and select image 2 layer. Click on filter option, then click on pixelate, next meso tint and select long strokes. Then reduce the opacity of image 2 layer. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the quick tutorial episode number 3. Please do like, comment and also subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about the new content.